Most guys have never used a moisturizer in their life. Not once. And they still wonder why their skin looks the way it does. Here is the thing nobody says. Bad skin is not a genetics problem for most men. It is a habits problem, and habits can be fixed. This video is the exact system. Simple, cheap, and it works. Let us get into it. Before anything else, understand this. A man with average features and clear, healthy skin will look more attractive than a jacked guy with bad skin. Every time. No exceptions. Skin is the first thing people register on a face. Before the body, before the clothes, before anything. And most men are losing points here every single day on something that takes 4 minutes to fix. 4 minutes. That is it. There is no excuse left after this video. This is the step most guys skip, and it is why most guys buy the wrong products and see zero results. There are 4 types. Oily skin gets shiny by midday and breaks out regularly. Dry skin feels tight after washing. Combination is oily down the middle. Forehead, nose, chin, and normal on the sides. Sensitive skin reacts badly to almost everything. Most men watching this are oily or combination. That is the most common type. Figure out which one and everything from here becomes simple. The morning routine. 2 steps. That is the entire morning routine. Step 1. Wash the face with a gentle cleanser. CeraVe Foaming Cleanser for oily skin. CeraVe Hydrating Cleanser for dry or sensitive. Lukewarm water, not hot. Hot water destroys the skin barrier and makes oiliness worse. 30 seconds. Pat dry. Step 2. SPF Moisturizer. This one matters more than anything else on this list. Sun damage is the #1 reason men look older than they should. The dark spots, the rough texture, the lines, all sun damage building up silently for years. CeraVe AM Moisturizer with SPF 30 handles hydration and sun protection at the same time. $12. Non-negotiable. Done. 2 steps. Less than 2 minutes. Do this every single morning without skipping. The evening routine. Same cleanser as the morning. Wash off everything the face collected throughout the day before the skin goes into its overnight repair cycle. Then CeraVe PM Moisturizer, the evening version. No SPF needed at night. This one has niacinamide in it, which slowly reduces redness and tightens pores over time without any extra effort. Apply it and sleep. That is the foundation. 4 products, under $30, 4 minutes a day. Run this for 30 days consistently, and the skin will look noticeably different. This is not an exaggeration. This is what happens when the skin is maintained properly, most likely for the first time. The acne fix. For the guys dealing with breakouts, here is what actually works. Benzoyl peroxide for active spots. It kills the bacteria inside the pore directly. Start at 2.5%, not 10. Higher concentration just causes more irritation without better results. Apply a thin layer after the evening cleanser, 3 nights a week. Build up gradually. Salicylic acid for blackheads and clogged pores. It gets inside the pore and dissolves the buildup, causing the blockage. 2% concentration. Use it 3 nights a week, alternating with the benzoyl peroxide. Niacinamide for redness and dark marks left behind. The ordinary niacinamide, 10% plus zinc. Under $6. Added under the evening moisturizer. One rule that most guys break. Add these one at a time. 2 weeks between each addition. Piling everything on at once destroys the skin barrier and makes everything worse. Patience here is not optional. It is what makes the whole thing work. The upgrades. Once the basic routine is locked in and running smoothly for a full month, these go on top. Vitamin C serum in the morning, after cleansing, and before SPF. It fights UV and pollution damage before it builds up in the skin. Brightens tone over time. The Ordinary has one for under $10. A few drops, rub it in, let it absorb, then SPF on top. Retinol in the evening. The most powerful skin improvement ingredient available without a prescription. It speeds up how fast skin cells renew themselves. Fine lines, texture, pore size, all improve over 12 weeks. Start slow. 2 nights a week. Low concentration. Build up gradually, or the skin will react badly early on. For men who are serious, tretinoin. Prescription strength. A dermatologist can prescribe it. The results are faster and more dramatic than any over-the-counter product. Expect a rough first month as the skin adjusts. Push through it. What comes after that rough patch is a completely different quality of skin. Important. Once retinol or tretinoin is in the routine, the morning SPF becomes even more critical. These ingredients make the skin more sensitive to the sun. SPF protects the work being done at night. The free stuff that beats every product. 3 things that cost nothing and outperform everything on this list. Sleep. The body repairs skin during deep sleep. A man sleeping 5 hours is running his skin repair at half capacity. Skin ages faster. Breakouts take longer to heal. 8 hours is not optional. It is part of the routine. Water. 3 liters a day. No moisturizer fixes internal dehydration. Dehydrated skin looks flat, dull, and aged. Water fixes it from the inside. Cardio. Better circulation means more oxygen reaching the skin cells. That is the reason men who exercise regularly have a natural glow that no product creates. 4 sessions a week and the skin reflects it. This was mentioned in the last video and it belongs here too. Every part of this system connects. Use these. They are free. They work better than most things that cost money. The men who look noticeably younger at 40 are not winning a genetic lottery. They just started doing something simple and kept doing it. Tonight, cleanser and moisturizer. 4 minutes. That is the whole entry point. Next video is the change that hits faster than any product. The right haircut for the right face shape. What works, what makes things worse, and how to walk into a barbershop and actually get it. Do not miss it.